G'day everyone, it's Chriso. How are you doing? I've just done these architraves, so now I've got a silicon around them. I'm about to start my silicon. What I did want to show you is like I've got a water stop here. That's from a shower. It's a semi-frameless screen that's going in, so the aluminium goes on top of that. I always like a semi-frameless. Forget your frameless because you know, like you've only got to have kids and they block the bloody hole with a face cloth and water pisses out everywhere. Anyway, so there's a water stop there. With the semi-frameless shower screen, I'm going back to the semi-frameless shower screen, sorry people. You have a piece of aluminium around the bottom, about 20 mil high. It stops any water. You also have a water stop here. I've got a water stop here. I have seen waterproofers waterproof in their aluminium and it goes into the doorway. And there's a big gap, like far out. No water will go past that line. I've got to put my aluminium here yet. I'll be doing that tomorrow. So that can be open because no water will go past. I've got aluminium, it's just slightly below my tile, and then you grout over it and it just looks like a join. Same here. I haven't bothered to, like I've got silicon there with the aluminium as well. I don't have to super clean that and make it super brilliant and clean because it gets covered. I'm just about to start silicon. So once I get started, I'll come back to you. Yo, see ya. I've got a couple of Chihuahua doggies. Holy shit, they bark at bloody anything and everything, eh? Incredible. Like a fly lands on the wall and they bark at it. Incredible. Incredible. Bloody woof 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 all friggin' day. I've got holes in the wall up there in my tiles so I can screw off the hanging thingy-doodle, the cabinet. The wall cabinet tomorrow. The boys can help me. We'll be laughing. See, I don't know what those chihuahuas are woofing at now, but they're still going. I think they bark at themselves. Not just flies on the wall. That's the ticket. I'll go home soon because I haven't got much to do tomorrow. What do I got to do tomorrow? Trim the door down and put it up. Put this cabinet in and then just have a bit of a tidy up. And off. Nice neat corner. Put your pedal pop stick just like that and pull it away. I've got a little chip there from a wedge, but I'll put a bit of silicone over that. I don't have to worry about it though, really, because the cabinet, the vanity covers it. I do it two ways. I have an empty silicone container and I put my spent silicone in that, or I just do it with a bit of tile until I get a empty container of silicone. Then you're laughing. All right, people, that's another how-to on silicone. So many people are scared. Hopefully with the YouTube videos out there that are on silicone, people are starting to learn. This is Chris O. Gives a thumbs up, people. It's shit all over my hands. Gives a thumbs up, people. See this? That's what you do. See ya. This is Chris O. Subscribe if you haven't. See ya. Hey yo. It's Chris O. So that's the ensuite now done. Hey. Up to the cornice again. It's the same house. Look out for the chihuahuas. So yeah, the toilet was all centralised, and that's your finished bathroom, shower screen, linear drain. So you can never have a big enough niche, eh? It's all been lived in at the moment, so yeah, there you go. Nice bit of light. Yeah. All right, people. I'm just sweeping up now. My mess. I'm just cleaning up, and I'm out of here. Cash in hand. We'll see you soon.